Oh hey, today we're gonna be decluttering the kitchen while in our pajamas. And we might have some help too, apparently. From Bear. You might be wondering why in pajamas. Because. That's all I have for that. Also, the lighting is really bad in my kitchen, but we're just gonna work with it. I'm also not wearing any makeup, and it makes me look like I'm a ghost. I'm dead. Maybe I am a little bit, but I've had 2 cups of coffee today. So we're gonna work on 3 areas really. It's gonna be interesting because you're already on the tripod. Okay, we have this mess here that I like to call Yikes Episode 1. And then we have the top one here, Yikes 2, the Yikes Strike Back. And then the third one, this is gonna be weird because you're still on the tripod. Oh god. Then we have Yikes 3, Return of the Yikes. So that's today's project really. No, I haven't watched Tidying Up on Netflix yet. This has been on my to-do list for a really long time. So yeah, let's get started. Oh yeah, then we have Mr. Freeze right here. Hopefully he can lend me strength today. Because all this hype of tidying up, how are you guys doing with your decluttering? This is like my second decluttering project for 2019. I shared on, I think, Instagram, maybe, and Twitter. I decluttered our linen closet, which is pretty much our only like miscellaneous storage that we have in this apartment, and you know, just really got rid of a lot of random stuff. And now this is like the second project. Have you watched Tidying Up yet on Netflix, or have you read Marie Kondo's book? I read the book years ago. When I first started to get into minimalism, and some of the advice worked, some of it didn't. I've mentioned also on social media that I tend to be an angry cleaner, so my time to clean and organize is like me working out some stuff. And also I tend to be the person that will angry purge, and once I get fed up with all the clutter, that's when I kind of do like a mass cleaning spree. But now I'm trying to be more organized with my organization and incorporate it into my like daily to-dos, or at least weekly to-dos, so it doesn't get to like this. Potatoes. We just rewatched the whole extended trilogy, Lord of the Rings. Whoa. Okay, kind of moved you. I am sweating really bad. Coffee's really kicking in. And now I had to reorganize everything and just get rid of stuff. Yeah. I really dislike cabinets that are like deep, because then you have to push a bunch of stuff in the back and you're gonna forget about it. And that's what we have with this pantry, but I got it kind of a bit more organized. You're also still on the tripod, so this is gonna be interesting. So there's the top now, all organized. Got the middle shelf. Oh yeah. And And then the bottom shelf, which is actually meant for a trash can, but our trash can doesn't fit in there. Now we're gonna do the top one up here, but I will need to actually get a footstool to do so. This is gonna be interesting. All right, how am I gonna do this? Nope. Can you see me still? No, not really. All right, that's fine. It's okay. There's not a lot up here, actually. Oh, I lied. There's a lot up here. But I have so much tea. Like, what happened? There's more. I have, you know, like all this, and then, oh wait, there's more. Like, there's even more. Alright, time to put everything back that I want to keep. Oh my god, look at Ray. I don't know. Look at that. Are you helping? Yes? Okay, I took you off the tripod, so let's just look at this top one here, and now it's a lot more organized. We have coffee on this side, tea on this side, and then this is like a little recipe box where I make my own like cleaning stuff and whatnot, and I keep all the recipes up here. Oh my goodness. Why am I sweating so much? Oh my god. So we have Yikes 3, Return of the Yikes right here. Oh, you're all there we go, yeah. And this is my pots and pans. So, put you there. We have another cat in the pantry, in the cupboard cabinet. There's Bear's tail. You're probably thinking, Stephanie, what do you think about while decluttering and going through all these things? Do you think about if they bring you joy or not? No, I don't actually. But I do think about whether or not the things I own would make good murder weapons. I have this one, which is a bit more sturdier, but lighter weight. So this would be more of a knocking out device, not so much a murder weapon. Whoopsies. Not an ASMR video. This would actually be a good helmet in wartime. The apocalypse, a good like breastplate maybe. Can I say that on YouTube? But actually my favorite murder weapon in my kitchen would be my cast iron stove. Not stove, cast iron skillet. Because it is all one piece of metal, it's heavy, and I can season it with the blood of my enemies. Yeah, that is my favorite murder weapon in the kitchen. And those are the things I think about while decluttering. I mean, don't we all? We have a new guest today in Decluttering with Stephanie. This is Owen. Tends to be the shy one. Welcome to my life with 4 cats. Trying to understand all these different things. This is like a, hello, it's an old-timey radio. That's a stupid voice, I'm sorry. What? Oh, okay. Ah! Actually, all of these things can just, we'll just, out of sight, out of mind, right? That's how decluttering works, right? You would think this would be a good murder weapon, but I don't think so much. It moves around a lot, you know, it's, you know, I would still go with the cast iron skillet. Okay, the pots and pans have been organized. Let's bring you on over. Oh, Jesus. It's kind of dark, but that's pots and pans and that thing. Food saver, rolling pin, we're just gonna keep it. It's gonna be like backup murder weapon, I guess. And that thing too. I do have one more cabinet to go through, and that's under the sink here. And then I will be done. I know I just said earlier that I make a lot of my own cleaning stuff, like surface cleaner and all that, but I haven't done it in a long time because of laziness, and no, that's about it, just laziness. I'm just, you know, trying to talk with you, trying to make this an interesting video, because I don't know, I like decluttering videos where it's not so much just like straight up just someone just decluttering in front of a camera. I like when they, I don't know, interact with you and, I don't know, talk about their day. I feel like that's a bit more entertaining and something I like watching. Oh, what? Spare candle. Oh, this is a winter one. I'm burning that. I am burning that tonight. Honestly, this one isn't as dramatic as the other ones because it was already kind of organized, but I reorganized it even more. That was decluttering while in our PJs. Still haven't watched Tidying Up on Netflix yet, but we did get to learn about different types of kitchen accessories that also double up as murder weapons. I don't think I said my name in the beginning of this, but it's Stephanie. This is my channel, Living Undefined. It'd be cool if you subscribed, no pressure, and that's it. You want to say bye, Ray? Do you want to say bye? No? No. See ya.